Okay, student, last week we have learned about Venn diagram and some of the operations of Venn diagram, children, and now we put our knowledge into the word problems or problem given in a statement and to solve through Venn diagram. It's very good, mathematics. So you must pay attention and learn nicely. If you learn properly, then you will definitely enjoy. You will have a satisfaction out of it. So what what your exercise 2B remaining sum says. I am taking question number 9. Question number 9, once again, if you should know before you proceed to the word problems of Venn diagram, you must know how will you do the operations if the things are given as the cardinal number of the two overlapping union sets, then cardinal number of the intersection part, cardinal of the complement part, cardinal of the minus part. If you know how to find out the other, these all are correlated. How will you solve it? But before you solve, you are supposed to draw a Venn diagram. Things will be easier to you. Things will be very obvious to you once you draw the proper Venn diagram. Then you can very well analyze and solve what is asked you. Now let us do question number 9. Question number 9, what is given to you that a minus b means cardinal number of a minus b. A minus b you all know element present in set A which is not present in B. All the elements uniquely present in set A differing from set B, that those many elements, those many say a minus b's cardinal number is given to you 8. Now A union B, that means two sets are there. Two sets union part that include union part include A union B is what, let me tell you, this will be in A minus B, in A intersection B, and in B minus A. Try to understand. In A minus B, in A intersection B, and in B minus A, this part. You must know what are the regions are there in Venn diagram for what. If you know this, then you will be able to do. Now, see, given to you A union B cardinal number is 20 and A cardinal number of A intersection B is 6. See, children, let us draw a Venn diagram. First, you draw an universal set. Under that, see, if intersection part is there either by the language or it is given to the intersection part by symbol, you must draw two overlapping sets. Could you understand? Then intersection region you have to place first. If you place intersection region the matter, the figure, then other will be very obvious. This region is telling intersection, this region is telling A minus B, this region is telling B minus A, and remaining portion of the universal set says U, indicates U, the complement part. That means neither A nor B. Could you understand me? So let us solve it. In intersection B, you have written down a Venn diagram. Universal set you have drawn, you have written down the universal sign. Then A. In this case, if you would have not done universal set, also it would have been nothing wrong, because this problem can be solved drawing two subsets only. But it is always better subsets will be under universal set. If you draw it, it's not bad. Okay. Now what can this part you know, and this part you know. A minus B also you know. This part will be obvious. So this part is what? B minus A. Once you know the total part is given to you. A union B is also given to you. Means in all this region and this region, all together is 20, isn't it? Therefore, this region will be very easy. 20 minus summation of these two. That will be the first answer. That is what you have done. A union B is equal to, total is equal to NA minus NB, this one, plus N A intersection B, this one, plus NB minus A, this one. Could you understand? This is given to you 20, this is given to you 8, this is also given to you 6. Therefore, this one is very simple linear equation solving. This one will be 20 minus sum of these two, that is 14. So 20 minus 14 is 6. I hope it is very clear to you. Once you draw a diagram, I don't have to explain much. Explanation is difficult, but solving is easier, isn't it? Now, okay, fine. The second question need to find out is cardinal number of NA. NA obviously the complete circle that includes intersection part and subtraction part also. So NA will be this two, 8 plus 6. Very simple it is. NA is equal to A minus B. This one symbolically we can say that cardinal number of A minus B, and this one symbolically we say cardinal number of intersection A and B. That is what. So both, if you add 8 plus 6, 14 is the second answer. Moving on to NB. NB is the complete circle. You have got this one, and now you found NB minus A, that is 6. So this part will be what? NB will be 6 plus 6, because this part you have taken out 6. So this part will be, so NB is NB minus A, this portion plus this portion. So 6 plus 6, 12. I hope you have understood, things are very clear to you. Now I will move on to question number 10. Question number 10 says to you that universal see, it is given in a word problem, like entire group is having, the students are there, those who like oranges or grapes. Total 50 students are there. 50 students, either of the thing they like or both they like. That means altogether it is 50 students. So let universal set be the entire group of the people. Could you understand how you solve the word problems of Venn diagram? I will go slow. See, let the entire group be denoted by set U, and we write down in the set form the entire group, that is 50. That means NU will be 50. Now let O the set the student like oranges, and G the set the student like grapes. Could you understand? That in curly bracket we have name 3 sets. Now you can very well draw the diagram. It is very simple. Draw it. But question is just it is given to you according to the question. According to the question, through the statement is given to you either or both. Either of the things or both. The number of student like is 50. So NU is 50. घुमा के नाक दिखाया इसमें, बोल रहा है कि टोटल स्टूडेंट्स including everybody is 50. Therefore NU is 50. Cardinal number of universal set is 50. Now see, NO union G means intersection of oranges and grapes. People are liking that. Cardinal number will be also 50, because the statement clearly said to you either orange or grapes or both. That means no one is there who doesn't like either of the thing. Had it been that would have been in this visual. Could you understand? Complement part. Could you understand? If the students, as many students are there, they are liking either of the things or both. Therefore, all are there in the union part. Could you understand me? That is why it is according to the question. Now, cardinal number of O union G will be 50. Could you understand? Now, NO is given to you 20, because 20 students like oranges. Now, and both oranges and grapes, how many students like it? They are 10. So, obviously, symbolically it will be NO intersection G, that is 10. I hope you have understood. Up to here, if you understand, if you can draw a diagram now draw a diagram, rectangular shape for universal set, and inside the universal set, 2 subset as O and G, and particular region, particular space, if you put the cardinal number, you will be able to reply very nicely. See, first of all, both. I have said, start with both. If you know the intersection part, first you put that. You have put intersection part. Now, definitely this will be total number of orange liking minus this. Because altogether it has to be 20, but out of the 10 is here only. So 20 minus 10. So this part only will be 10. So 10 students like only oranges. Now you can reply. Now similarly, altogether it is 50. You know this one is 10. This one is 10. So this one will be definitely 50 minus minus 10 plus 10. Altogether it is 50 because there is no one that who is not liking either of the thing. So everybody out of that 50 is either orange or grapes or both. So N O union G is 50. Altogether it is 50. So out of that two things you have come to know. Definitely it will be the 50 minus summation of these two, that will become 30. So only grapes will be number of 30. You don't understand. Now you got on the figure. Here is 10 only oranges. Here is both orange and grapes. Here is only grapes. Now you reply what is the problem. So first question, only oranges will be O minus G. That will be symbolized by O minus G. Because if O is the set representing oranges and G is the set representing grapes, then definitely O minus G will be, will be the people liking, student liking only oranges. So only oranges will be what? NO, which is given to you. NO is 20 minus intersection given to you, both part, that is O intersection G, that is 20 minus 10, that is 10. First answer got. Second answer, only grapes, how much will it be? Only grapes will be, see, only grapes will be total number of grapes minus both, total number of grapes minus both, total number of grapes is 20. It is given in the I will go for I will go for second question, that is grapes. How many are there? How many are representing grapes? Here these two. Therefore, you have to subtract from 50, because 50 is the total number of students. So N O union G minus N O minus G. N O union G total minus intersection. Only grapes if you need, then this one. This one if you subtract, it will be total minus this one will be grapes only. Grapes means both also included. So grapes will be this circle. So total number of students minus only oranges. That is what you have done. So 40. 40 is the second answer. Third question they said to only grapes, means this part. This part I said to you that this part it will be easier if you know total number of grapes minus intersection part. Total number of grapes is how much? It was, I took it out 40 minus the intersection part is 10, that is 10. I hope you have understood all three sums. You go through once again, you definitely understand. Okay, now moving on to question number 12. Question number 12, again statement given to you. There also it is given to you. Here, neither of the thing is there. Among both, people have not either TV or computer, some are there. In a society, there are thousands of people. Out of that, people. Some people have TV, some people have computer, some people have both. But some people have neither computer nor both also. That means this part is also there. So this is again overlapping each other because both are there. Both are how many? 130. I said you place both part first 130. Now total number of TV holder is how much? That is 560. 560 minus 130 will be 430. So only TV people are having is 430. Only computer. This two if you are knowing it, then total number of computer is also given, that is 250. 250 minus intersection part will be the only computer you are having. Now you have got only TV, both and only computer, but there are total number of people is also, that is 1000. Some are neither like having TV nor computer. That will be 1000 minus sum of this and this, that will be 20. Now what will you do? You will have to write down the statement. Let U be the entire group. P is the set people have TV. C is the set people have computer. Very simple. Now we draw the diagram. First you place the intersection part. Then you see how many you have got TVs. See on how many you have got TVs. That is 560. That is given according to the question. That is given that 560 have TV.
but TV will be complete circle. Out of that 130 has gone, so this only TV will be 560 minus 130, that is 430. First answer got. Second answer, only computer, how much will be? You know, total number of computer people are having is 250 minus the intersection part, that is 130. So that is 250 minus 130, 120. Now either TV or computer or both, either TV or computer or both, that is represented by the union part. That you have to understand. So union part will be 430 plus 130 plus 120, altogether 680. Now neither computer nor TV definitely will be from 1000. You have to subtract that 680. These all you have to subtract, so that you will find this from 1000. So it will, if you subtract this, you will find 320. I hope things are very easy.